Hey guys, this is Darren with EastsideSportsCards.com. Tonight we're going to be doing two boxes of 2014 Topps Fire Football Hobby Box. This was a 32 team break. All 32 teams did not sell. Let's go ahead and go through the list of what we got. Michael S. Packers, Jerry M. Giants, Darren W. Bengals, Perry S. Raiders, Steelers, and 49ers. Shane M.'s got the Patriots, Michael S. Jags, Robert P. Bucks, Vikings, Texans, Bills, and Rams. Perry S. Dolphins, Broncos, and Titans. David C. has got Seahawks, Nathan T. Eagles, Saints, and Panthers. Chris E. Cowboys, Jets, and Chiefs. And Amber Young has the Lions. If everybody's good to go with that, type Y in the box and we're going to go, okay? And what I'm going to do tonight, I'm going to try this tonight, okay? Because I've had a few guys talk to me for this. If we get a dual card facing me, my left will be my left and my right will be my right. And if a card is on the left, the team that's on the left will get it. That's what I'm going to do. Is everybody okay with that? If not, we'll do random.org. I want this to be fair and I want everybody to be happy. Is that cool? Nate, you cool with that? Robert, you cool with that? Chris, you cool with that? Okay, awesome. So we'll go ahead and get this done, and we'll label this box number 1 and box number 2. That way you guys know 1 and 2. All right, good luck, guys. As you can tell, it is a full sealed box. Let's go ahead and crack this baby down tonight. Okay, empty box, empty box. We're gonna go. Okay, guys, first pack of the break, bud. I'm stoked for this. Terry Bradshaw, Witten, CJ Spiller, Red, Tannehill for the Dolphins. That's pretty sweet. That's foil right there. Bam. You've got Brandon Marshall. Okay. You've got Odell Beckham Jr. That deserves a soft cover. Everybody likes his stuff right now. There you are. Le'Veon Bell. This is pretty cool for the 49ers. They hit Bruce Ellington auto. That's real nice right there, guys. Real nice. Not numbered, but it's Bruce Ellington. Bam. Really nice. We've got Jordan Cameron. There we are. We have Phillip Rivers and Jenkins to finish that off. So one hit out of the box. You normally get 4 hits out of the box. We've got Allen Hurns, Vernon Davis, Garcon, Blake Bortles. You have Blake Bortles foil. Luke to finish that pack off. Cordell Patterson, Jerome Bettis, Geno Smith. All right. The Broncos get this card. Okay. I'm going to do this right now in front of everybody. There we go. You good with that? There we go. Broncos got it on the left side. Andrew Luck, foil. There it is. Terrence West. We have Von Miller, Barry Sanders, Troy Aikman, Michael Crabtree. Michael Crabtree. Bam. Matt Forte, Johnny Manziel rookie. All right. Hey guys, you can always go to our website, shop.eastsidesportscards.com. Oh, this is sick, dude. You guys are going to love it. Teddy Bridgewater foil. Oh, this is why you guys buy into our breaks. This is exactly why. Oh, let me grab this soft cover here. Oh, man, you guys. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's a little thick. I got to get a better top loader for that. It's really thick. That'll work, I guess, for now. All right, guys, here we go. This is super sick for the Jags. Look at this. Look at that. Bang. That's why you buy. That's why you buy into breaks here at the Box Breaking Madness, man. That's sick. You guys like that? 11 of 25. Both Jags. Marquise Lee. Wow. That is sick. All right. That's a highlight right there, guys. Woo! Highlight reel right there for sure. All right. We've got Troy Mason, Julius Thomas. This is cool. Jimmy, number to 50 for the Patriot guy. Loving it. There you go, right there. 12 of 50. Yeah, dude, they're nasty sick. All right. We got Matthews here, Jordan Matthews foil. Floyd and Alfred Morris. And I believe, yeah, Michael S. got the Jags. Keenan Allen, Antonio Brown, Matthew Stafford. This is easy. Seattle Seahawks get this because they're both Seahawks. Come on. Focus for me, baby. There we go. Right behind him is Richard Sherman foil. Like that. And we've got Moncrief right there. All right, guys, almost halfway down. 2 hits of hit out of this box. Braun, Jay Cutler, numbered Troy Aikman, which I'm glad to see pop for Dallas Cowboy. I think that's Chris's. There you go, Chris. 458 of 499. There you go, Chris. And you've got Ken Norwood foil for the Seattle Seahawks. Bang, there's that. Matt Ryan and Paul Richardson to finish that one off. Alrighty. Falls, Earl Thomas, Benjamin, Troy Aikman, Ring of Fire. Bang, there it is. Mettenberger foil. You've got Russell Wilson common. All right, still got some hits left here. RG3, Sankey. You've got Kaepernick. Ooh, here's pretty cool for the Steelers. (0-2 of 50). Terry Bradshaw, loving that. Clay Matthews foil for the Packers. Bam. And you've got Josh Huff to finish that off. All right, guys, halfway through the box here. Let's finish this one down. Jamal Charles, Freeman, Derek Carr, Bo Jackson foil. It's always cool to see him come out. Bo Jackson. You've got Percy Harvin, and you've got Emmitt Smith. All right, guys. Tannehill, Teddy Bridgewater, Luck, Blake Bortles, Devontae Freeman foil. Okay. Ben Roethlisberger there. Okay. Clay Matthews, Mettenberger, Calvin Johnson, man, Josh Reed, Jamal Charles foil. There you go right there. James White. All right. Richard Sherman, Jordan Matthews again. Vincent Jackson for the Bucks right there. Foil. Whoa, the Bucks. Aaron Rodgers and Sammy Watkins. All right, guys. All right. Come on. Peyton Manning, Aaron Murray, Gio. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is a sick box, boys. And I think, hey, Robert, you know how you say you never get anything? Well, you just did, my friend. 06 of 25, Sammy Watkins auto, baby. Woo! That's why you buy in and buy your spots at the Box Breaking Madness. That's what I'm talking about. You're welcome, sir. Redskins foil. Nelson right there. Woo, that's good. That's a smoking box tonight. Gio. Ellington. Haha Clinton Dix. Moncrief die cut for the Colts. CJ Spiller for the Bills. That's another hit for you, Robert. Look at that one, man. Anytime, sir. That's what I'm here to do. Vincent Jackson. Okay. Gronkowski. Here we go. Bam. For the Raiders. There we go. Doing pretty good. It's doing pretty good. This is the wrong size of top load. See if I can get it in this one. Yeah, here we go. Way better. Woo, there we go. Top loaded your stuff. Non-numbered card, but still. We have Nelson. And we have Bo Jackson and Michael Crabtree. All right. Jeffrey, Steve Young, Hilton, Terrence West, Jason Witten, foil for the Cowboys. We have Cameron for the Browns. Last pack, box 1. We have Brett Favre, Foster, Hyde for the Giants here. For the G-Man right there. Foil Bradshaw to finish that one off. We've got Kevin Norwood. Bam. Okay, guys. Box number 2. Good luck here. All right. There you go. Empty box. All right. Here we go, guys. Pack 1, box 2. Chris Sims. Calvin Johnson. Wes Welker. This is kind of interesting. No, it is numbered. Sweet. Raiders hit again. Derek Carr. Okay. 06 of 43. Bam. There we go, guys. We've got Zach Stacy foil. Right there. Oh, yeah, man. We're doing good. We're doing good here. Devontae Adams for the Packers. Didn't want to open. Oh, boy. Dude, The Jags are ripping it up tonight, dude. That's all I got to say. Good Lord. Dude, that's all I got to say. I'm going to show you this, guys. Holy smokes. Bang. And it's 229 of 500. Dude. These are in a large top load. I'll make sure that they get in the right ones, but I just want to get them covered right now. Dude, that's crazy. All right, let's keep ripping. So excited. AJ Green, Graham, Jarvis Landry. We've got James White for the Patriots right there. We have Broadway Joe, and we have Sue for the Lions. Okay. Jake Locker, Patrick Willis, Latimer. Okay. Browns and Jets. Browns will get it. Okay. Makes it easier that way. Browns get it. Julius Thomas. And we've got Larry Fitzgerald. There it is right there. Okay. EJ Manuel, Derek Carr, Tony Romo, McCarron, Trey Mason for the Rams. There you are. And you've got Doug Martin. Wanted to almost say Sims at the there to begin with, man. Reggie Bush. Okay. For the Broncos again. Monte Ball jersey. Non-numbered, of course. We've got Steelers as the foil here for the Big Ben Roethlisberger fan. We have Jeremy Hill and Eddie Lacy to finish that off. Almost halfway down with the box. Frank Gore. Cooks. Numbered Josh Huff. Sweetness right there. There we go. There's your card. And it's numbered 179 of 499. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. Sammy Watkins. You've got Victor Cruz and J.J. Watt for the Houston Texans. Nick Foles, Kerry, Joe Flacco. The G-men get this one. You have Troy Aikman right there. We've got Andre Williams right there. Okay, guys, come on. Let's get something, man. McKinnon, Revis, Mike Evans for the Bears. The Bears. Number 233, 499, Brandon Marshall. Okay, there's the Brandon Marshall. Numbered. Come on. Focus for me. Focus for me. There it is. 233 of 499. For the Lions fans, everybody likes old school. Barry Sanders. Ooh, that's good. Deshaun Jackson, about halfway down through the box here. Monte Ball. Anthony Barr. Terry Bradshaw. Terry Bradshaw, Ring of Fire. Ring of Fire. Behind that is Aaron Rodgers foil. There you are. You've got Reggie Wayne and you've got Mike Wallace to finish that off. Halfway through the box here, guys. Officially halfway through. Okay. Marshall Faulk, Deion Primetime Sanders, Demarcus Thomas. Ooh, here we go. Richard Sherman numbered. $189 of $499 on that one. It's a nice piece. Okay. To follow that, Anthony Brown foil. There you are right there. Bam. Miami Dolphins. Dan Marino. All right, halfway here, guys. Let's see what we get in this. Come on. Palomalu, Dickerson, Julio Jones, Sankey right there. Logan Thomas, foil for the Cardinals. Bam. He hits every time, I swear. Cam Newton. And guys, be sure to go to our website, shop.eastsidesportscards.com for all your box case supply needs. Ryan Matthews, Troy Nichols, DeMarco Murray. Here's a nice piece. Emmitt Smith foil. Ooh, that's good. Bang. Tom Savage, Eli Manning. Okay, guys, here we go. Here we go. Crowell, Sean McCoy, Clowney, Drew Brees, Von Miller foil. Bam. Laundry for the Dolphins. Landry. All right, Bruce Ellington. Cutler. Foles. Mike Evans to file that up. And for the Lions, you got Braun foil right there. And Pierre Paul. All right, we still got to get another hit in here. Oh, boy. Bell. Hearns. Brennan Davis. McKinnon for the Vikings. It's a die cut right there. Pack of soft sleeves. And let's go ahead. Oh, for the Patriots, Tom Brady foil. Bam. Dante Moncrief. All right, guys, let's get it. Earl Thomas. Benjamin. Oh boy. Dude, guys, are you ready for this, dude? Oh boy. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, this is the mother load, dude. Oh, dude, I'm shaking right now, guys. This is awesome. This is totally cool. Bang! Woo! 11 of 25. Beckham, Andrew Williams, dual auto. They're both from the Giants, bud. They're both from the Giants, so the Giants get it. That's easy tonight. So it looks like Jerry M just got the dual auto. Yep. Somebody owns majority. That's sick, guys. Take a snapshot right there, boys. Bang. The third ODB, Odell Beckham Jr. auto that we got here at the Madness. This is sick. Percy Harvins, Allen Robinson, Des Bryant. Yep. Majority because it's all Giants. Nobody, that's good. That's sick. That's what I'm talking about right there. RG3, Sankey, Bridgewater. Woo, that's good. Told you guys. I told you. Buy into my breaks, man. You'll get some hot stuff every single time. Bam. The Lions right here. Matthew Stafford. Bam. Andre Johnson, Randall Cobb. 2 packs left in the break, and then we'll do a hit recap for y'all. Colin Kaepernick. We got another hit. Darren, you're going to love me, man. Marquise Lee. Josh Brown for the Cardinals. Foil. You've got Ronnie Lott. Okay. And I'm so glad we can do this for you, Darren. Bam. There you are. You got a hit, sir. Last pack of the box. Box number 2. John Elway. Odell Beckham Jr. Get that soft covered. We have Trey Mason. We have Brandon Marshall. Foil for the Bears. We have Michael Floyd, and we have Alfred Morris. All right, let's do the hit recap here. And I'm going to do the last, the best of the best for last. Now that was a smoking break. Okay, guys. Gio Bernard. Put this up there. Gio Bernard jersey. Okay. Richard Sherman, numbered to 499. Brandon Marshall, numbered to 499. Josh Huff, numbered to 499. Denver Broncos, Monte Ball jersey. David Carr, numbered 06 of 43. David Carr jersey to follow that up. 02 of 50. Terry Bradshaw. For your Dallas Cowboys, 458 of 499. Jimmy, 12 of 50. Bruce Ellington auto for your 49er guys. All righty, here we go. Oh, this is good. Okay. For all Jags, because they're majority, bang. 11 of 25, Marcus Lee, Blake Bortles. And the patches are just disgusting. Sweet. For your Bills fans, 06 of 25, Sammy Watkins, pulling heat tonight. Okay. Jag again, Marcus Lee, 229 of 500, multicolor auto. And the best hit of the break, majority, they're both Giants, Andre Williams and Odell Beckham Jr., 11 of 25, dual auto. All right, guys, that wraps up break number 2, 2014 Topps Fire Football 2-box hobby break. Appreciate it. Stop by our website, shop.eastsidesportscards.com. We appreciate you. Thank you. Bye-bye.